I'm so happy right now. I'm in my happy place. Friends, what I have here is a mystery box of Free People clothing. My favorite brand to sell on eBay and Poshmark, my favorite brand to wear personally. What could be better than an entire mystery box of Free People stuff? This is a Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review video. What we're going to do is open this up. I'm calling it a box, but they put it in a bag, but that's fine with me. We're gonna open it up, get a first look, and then I'm gonna go through the entire haul of Free People stuff that I bought to resell online for profit. If you're new here, welcome, I'm Quenby. I'm an online reseller. I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years. I also sell on Poshmark and Etsy, and this channel is all about reselling, so you're gonna find thrift hauls, thrift with me, unboxings, how to sell on eBay, what sold videos, all that stuff. So be sure you're subscribed.
And let's get into this.
Let's get into this bag of Free People. Hope they have a invoice in here because I don't know the details of this box right off. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So excited because I love this brand. Let's take a look-see, baby. All right, I see a new tag, Free People tag. All sorts of goodies. Let's get into it. Does anyone else get like this little adrenaline rush when I'm opening the bag or the box? I'm always like, what's gonna be inside? You don't know. It's a mystery box. I love mystery boxes for my reselling business. It's a great way to get inventory shipped right to my door. I'm not out there for hours sourcing.
Do I love being out there for hours thrifting? Yes, I do. I love thrifting.
But I'm a part-time reseller. I have to be very careful with my time. Time is money. So part of my business strategy is to get a lot of inventory shipped right to my door. Okay, let's see. There is an invoice. Great, 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 great. Thank you, Jomar. This box is Free People assorted women's clothing, 20 pieces. And I believe it's new tag sample. It doesn't say new tag though, so it might be a mix. Free People assorted women's clothing. It was normally $220. I always use discounts when I shop on Jomar. Use my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word. You get a discount. I earn from Jomar. It's a win-win. And then there's shipping. So my total for this box with my discounts and shipping is $199.57. I'll pop up on the screen what that means each item cost per item. Okay, I did get this box before. That video is already up on the channel. And in that one, there was a lot of bralettes and crop tops. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same in this one. I'm so happy right now. I'm in my happy place. I should take a thumbnail photo, but I don't know where my phone is. Yes, friends, I make lots of bloopers as I try and make these videos. Bloopers, tongue ties, mistakes, awkwardness. I put it all at the end of the video so that we can enjoy ourselves and laugh at it. So I'll see you at the end of the video for the bloopers. Oh gosh, holy moly. We're starting out with a bang. This must be from like their Intimately line. Gorgeous. So these have sample tags. So when I sell them, I write Free People sample tag. What's awesome is all the info's on here. So this is the speed date bodysuit in an extra small, which is awesome because then I can Google speed date bodysuit and find stock photos if I choose to use them. This is very, very, very gorgeous and sexy. Most of these things are small and extra small, you guys, because they're samples. Ooh, I'd be psyched if I get some Free People movement. This isn't Free People. These are coral, I think. How'd these get in here? I'm not going to complain. Wow. So this is a hot, newer to me fitness brand, K-O-R-A-L. The tag's been cut here though. So here's the logo, K-O-R-A-L. Here's the logo. It's got a K. These are like black skinny leggings. These say large, but I don't know in what world or who these are large for. They almost look like leather. They're just crazy. That's a good brand. Ooh, look at this. A Free People bralette. all white. I just sold a pink bralette from Free People on Poshmark for $20 plus shipping. That's a great return. This is a size extra small. This one has no tags, so I will be listing it as new without tags. But look at all that gorgeous lace embroidery. That is just incredible. I am a curvy girl, so that doesn't help me one bit. Okay, this is there's so many different Free People tags, you guys. This is Intimately Free People. That's not as expensive line, and it's often like lingerie, slips. They do little tops. This is a neon crop top, super hot right now, these crop tops. And then again, this is a different Free People tag, Free People Movement. I know, you guys. There's so many different tags, and it's like, if you're new and you're trying to learn, it's like, what the heck? I know Free People sells, but there's Free People Movement, Intimately Free People, New Romantics, Free People One. There's so many different lines, and they're not all equal. And a lot of people have said, Quemby, you said Free People is one of your best-selling brands. Well, it doesn't sell that well for me. It is one of my best-selling brands. And it's like, if something's not selling well for me, well, I ask myself, do I have it priced too high? Do I have good pictures? Do I have a title and description that allow customers to find my item in a sea of thousands of items? And if all those things are awesome, then I ask myself, is it a good piece? Like, if it's an older piece or an out-of-style piece, Free People, I wouldn't pick it up. And I think I'm pretty good when I'm outsourcing myself at knowing which pieces do well within the brand. But for me, it's a pretty safe bet. Most Free People stuff does well. This is a Free People Movement, so I'd put it as like a sports bra. It's ribbed, but then look at the strappy back. Strappy open goodness. And here's the Free People Movement logo that you could familiarize yourself with in case the hang tag is cut out. That's what that looks like. So I'm getting a lot of movement stuff. Now, is this bralette gonna sell for as much as, like, I hope I got a few dresses or tops. My last box was mostly sportswear and bralettes, and then I got a few dresses. Have I listed it all yet? No. Free People, Intimately Free People. This is like a teeny tiny little blue striped racer back bra or bralette. Camo. Camo sells. This is awesome. A camo print sports bra. Camouflage stuff sells great, you guys. Almost anything camo, regardless of brand, seem to sell. So this is a more significant piece. Thank you, Jomar. Free People. Now, this is a top. Oh my gosh, I just love the details of Free People. It's such boho perfection. So it's an oversized top, kind of a gray rib tunic. But then look at the neck. It's all crochet work. All crochet, and then it's got like this stripy stuff down the sleeve. Like, what? There's so much good stuff going on. And it's got high slits. I'm gonna have to try this on, friends. I mean, this is so fun. This has no tags. So it doesn't have a material tag, it doesn't have a sample tag, it has the Free People bar tag, but no size. I don't care. I'll use keywords to try and find this on Google to get the name of it, and I'll disclose. What's this? Now, this is yet another Free People line called We the Free. I like this line. They do a ton of oversized thermals and stuff. This is called It's a Vibe button down in black camo. And it is a button down floral oversized top with a balloon sleeve. See how it's kind of a bigger sleeve and then it goes to a smaller cuff here? That's called a balloon. That's gorgeous. So PD and I went away with Torvald to New England, went to the beach, we saw my family. I live in Northern California and I have for like 20 years now, but I'm from Boston, most of my family is still there. Well, we caught summer colds. Like, I'm not someone who, my immune system is really great. I don't usually get colds. It's very rare. But then to get one in the summer, it's like, so I had like a full-on cold, like a runny nose, that type of cold. And I feel better now, but I can still, like, my voice sounds like maybe a little bit different. Look, oh my God. Oh my God. I just don't even, it's just, thank you, Free People. This is Free People Movement. My Free People Movement stuff has sold so great. It's a tank, okay? Mustard halter neck, but then look at the back. Look at the contrasting pink lace up, pink ribbon. Like, isn't that such beautiful, romantic contrast detail? Wow. None of this stuff will fit me. I can be a small in Free People because most of it's so oversized, but that's not happening for me. Another We the Free. This is a turtleneck with some really cute details. This is smocking. See this elastic? You often see it on dresses. So it's got a smocked neckline. And this has a different tag. I can see it in here, a sample tag. So I can sell this as new with a sample tag with all the info. This is called, this one doesn't have, oh, it says Anthropology, Free People. Anyway, I'll do my best. Woohoo! Look at this. Wowzer. This is beautiful. This is like, I think it's a bralette, but it's very red lace, red netting, mesh, very beautiful. It has a regular Free People tag, so that's exciting for me. That's like if you go to Macy's and buy some Free People, you're going to see that tag. This is Sitting Pretty Brahmi, Crimson Black Ivory Sky. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's more like a bra. You couldn't really wear that to the gym or anything, could you? This one's still in its bag. Oh, they're underpants. You know what's funny is I just sold the matching top to this. So this is a pair of women's pink ribbed underpants, and I just sold the matching bra over on Poshmark. A dress, awesome. The sweetest, most romantic floral print dress. It's got these tie shoulders here, and caught up printed slip. The tags are like, it has the regular tag, but then it's a handwritten tag. So I just think this is fascinating. Blue floral with the sweetest print mini dress. That should do great. Oh, I have this dress. How can this be a new sample? Because I have this dress. So it can't be a new sample because I got this dress years ago. I have it in my closet now in white. Heavily embroidered. Off the shoulder with some smocking. Very full skirt. So I don't know how this piece ended up in here with the new with tag samples because this is an older style. But that's awesome. What an awesome dress. What an awesome piece. Okay, another, oh, I love this sports bra by Free People Movement. It's like distressed. It's black and it's got all this kind of embroidery detail, but it has like a distressed wash on it, almost like a dark stone wash. Really, really cute. No tags at all on that one. Another Free People Movement with new with tags. This is the Ride With Me bra. There we go. My son Torvald is at pool and tennis camp, so I gotta finish this video and go pick his little butt up. He's loving it. This is super cute one. Wow. This is a Free People bra movement, but look at the scalloped hem there. Isn't that really pretty? Like someone would look so great in that. Pedal pusher bra. They're so tiny, like, no, like nothing like that. I couldn't even get anything in it. Ooh, white. This is my fave. What is this? There's a big piece of string there, that's all. What the heck is this? I don't even. I hope I find a stock photo. It's like a button down, but it's a dress. A white button down mini dress with a ruffle hem. The thing that's confusing me is this pin here. I guess the pin is to hold the slip. Maybe because it came with a slip. Wow, size extra small. I don't see flaws. I don't see a tag. So it looks like it's a take on like almost like a men's business dress shirt made into a feminine dress. So hopefully I'll find a stock photo. Is this the last one? Oh, it goes so quick and it's just so much fun. Thanks for sticking with me. If you made it this far, you might as well stay till the end and watch the bloopers. Free People Mysteryland tunic. Oh my gosh, look at this. Super mini, so it's more like a tunic. You'd probably have to wear leggings or something, but it feels like gauze. Thick gauze, a lot of flow in there. So cute. So for a dress, I think I can get like 40, 45 bucks. This one Oh, it does have the new tag, so that's really helpful. I love that. Probably try that one on. It's the only thing in here that might fit me, so. Thanks for staying with me watching this Free People unboxing. It's been really fun. What do you think? Check out Jomar. They've got pre-owned boxes, new tag boxes, men's, kids, women's, plus size, vintage shoes. I mean, they're really awesome. What a great box. What a great box. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. I bought a lot of new with tag wholesale Free People sample stuff. Some of it has tags, some of it doesn't. And I'll still sell it. Water break. What do you guys think? Why would you think or care about what my voice sounds like? I don't know. Just wondering. If it sounds different, that's what I meant to say. If it sounds different, that's why. All right, I gotta get some water though. Okay. My throat is still a little off. We went on vacation to the East Coast. And I got a cold. What's this? Am I gonna film the whole video with this and no one's gonna tell me? Probably. You guys should have been like, hey, Q, your hanging tag thingy is out. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just so cute. Don't you guys think? My son Torvald is at pool in Temis. I don't know.